In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Viagogo ticket validity. To get started, open the Viagogo website or app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the same account that was used to place the order because that's where your ticket details and delivery updates will appear. Once you're logged in, head to the My Purchases or My Tickets section. This is where Viagogo stores your order history and any ticket information connected to your account. Next, select the specific ticket order you want to check. After opening the order, take a moment to carefully review all of the ticket details shown on the page. You want to confirm the event name and date first so you know the ticket matches the exact event you plan to attend. Then check the venue and location to make sure everything lines up correctly. After that, look at the seat information including the section, row, and seat numbers if those are listed. Also review the delivery status because that tells you whether the ticket has already been delivered, transferred, or is still pending. You should also check the ticket delivery method and make sure it matches the event requirements. For example, some events accept mobile transfer, some use e-tickets, and others may require a physical ticket. This matters because having the wrong format could create problems at entry, even if the order itself looks correct. If you received a mobile ticket, open the official ticketing app or the transfer link provided and confirm that the ticket appears properly there. This is an important step because a valid mobile ticket often needs to be displayed in the original app rather than as a saved image or downloaded screenshot. In many cases, venues use live or rotating barcodes, so avoid relying on screenshots if the event requires a dynamic barcode for entry. It's also a good idea to compare your ticket details with the official event information listed by the venue or the authorized ticket seller. Double check the date, time, venue, and any delivery or entry rules. This extra comparison helps you spot mismatches early and gives you more confidence that everything is in order. If anything seems unclear or you have concerns about authenticity, contact Viagogo customer support before the event date. It's always better to resolve questions in advance rather than waiting until the last minute. Finally, on the day of the event, arrive early with your valid ticket ready and bring identification if the event requires ID verification. That extra time can help reduce stress and give you a smoother entry experience.